God bless. So I wrote this song March last year when I was going through one of the hardest times in my life. And I came to the conclusion that whatever God has us to go through, whatever part we have to pass through, it is only by His grace will help us to come through it. And we need Him for strength daily. So I pray that this song will be a blessing to your heart.
What is my strength?